Welcome back, guys, to another video on Cloud's Minecraft, and today I'm gonna show you how to make an automatic toilet. I don't know why I want toilets so much. No, let's just get like spruce fence gates, and you see, if you put this in there, it will automatically flush. See? Yeah, and I'm gonna teach you that, guys. It's not really that hard. So you're gonna need redstone comparator, redstone dust, redstone repeater, and an observer. Just one observer. That's how easy it is. Okay, let's actually so let's actually. Ooh, okay. Okay, you're gonna go to this second hopper, put a block. You already know the basics, a redstone comparator, and go 3 blocks more here. Add redstone dust, a redstone repeater, then redstone dust. Then next is, yeah, well, we're not gonna want to power this because, yeah. Right, you got that, and then you just put a block next to the, the observer, and just go like that. Now you have your own automatically flushing toilet. See? Boom, automatically flushed. What if we just do? Okay, let's just. Okay, now this should be. Oh no, that redstone signal doesn't reach. What if I had like a lot of comparators here? Okay, let's just there. Okay, it kind of works, but slower. These are very slowly depositing to the sewers, guys. Alright, thanks for watching. Have a good one. Alright, that's from Planet Dolan. Have a good one and have a good day in this corona.